Daddy had the vacuum and you got scared? You got scared of the vacuum? Why you get scared of the vacuum? I seen you crawling over toward it. You were trying to play with it. Where are you going?
Don't worry, Squishy. Daddy's scared of the vacuum too. Particularly the part where you got a vacuum.
You see the elephants, Lena? It's Dumbo. Those were the mean elephants. Daddy. Somebody.
What?
You are so tall compared to him. That's ridiculous.
It's my knees.
Dumbo. Lena.